You ever driven by and seen granite that looks really yellow, like this granite right here? This rock was freshly sprayed down with what's called pre-emergent. It's a product that prevents the weeds from growing. It comes with a 6-month guarantee against no weeds at all. So if you ever see this yellow, it looks like just a layer of yellow dye over the entire rock area on a landscape. And you'll see it a lot of times in HOAs when they apply it. I'm over here at a strip center in the Northwest Valley where it just got applied, and you can see the difference between here, this yellow rock, and just on the other side here where they didn't spray, over here how the rock is just, you know, the traditional color. And you can see also all the weeds that are growing in this area from the lack of pre-emergent. Now also, there's a product called post-emergent, which is like Roundup or your glyphosate, and that is sometimes mixed with a dye that's like a bluish green. And so sometimes you'll see spots of blue and green in the landscape, and that's just to show where the landscape was marked, where the weeds were sprayed, so you know where they were sprayed, and so you don't double spray. My name's Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at azlawns.com. We can help you get this product put down in your property and prevent weeds. Comes with a 6-month guarantee, no weeds at all. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on AMS Landscaping on Facebook. Make it a great day.